Welcome to our channel How to Guide, where we post guide videos, and in today's video I will teach you guys how you guys can repost on your Facebook. And it's pretty simple, so follow the steps. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, hit that subscribe to our channel and let's move on. First step, after you open your Facebook and you see a post you want to repost, so in my case, let's say I want to repost this New York Magazine post. Right below the post, there is going to be a share button. I can click on the share button and it's going to open up something like this. And at the top over here where it says share now, I can click on share now and this will be shared instantly on my, profile or on my Facebook page. But if I want to type something while sharing this, I can type anything you want over here as well, like, hey, it's great. I can do that. And I can even choose if I want to tag somebody over here like this. I can tag anybody I want, and over here where it says public, I can click on it to choose whether I want only my friends to see or some specific friends are only for me to. I can choose all this option and modify it, but after all this modification is done, I can click on share now and it's going to show me posting. And once it shows posted, that means like I have reposted it on my profile just like this over here, as you guys can see. That's how you guys can repost on Facebook. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit that subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.